Hey guys, today we're going to be printing one of my projects, and in another video I'll show you how I made some of these projects. I'm thinking I'm going to print this one out, Life is Better with My Boys. You can always customize it if you need to change anything, or you can just click make it. What it does is if you did not weld it together, it's going to position it however it wants to try to save up space. You can try to save up even more space by moving some of these around, and I will. In just a little bit, I'll show you how I'm going to save more space. And then you always want to make sure that you click mirror, because when it prints it, it's going to print it that way. But then when you iron it, you want it to be mirrored so that when you iron it on, it comes out the correct way. Okay, today we're going to be using the Scissor Easy Weed HTV Black. I also bought it in rose gold and white. I've been really liking how these weed out and stick on, so I just bought more. Make sure that your USB is connected. Make sure that it is turned on. And make sure that you click open to get it ready to print. Okay, so I was able to fix it to where I put the script lettering in there and fit it perfectly so that it can save up some space that was on the side. I also already pre-cut it, and always make sure that you put the shiny side down when you put it. And I already kind of measured it. I know that the bottom is around 5, so I did cut and make it almost at 5. So then you're gonna press continue. And it's connecting. And then what it does is this starts blinking. So that means you have to put the light grip in. Make sure that it's in on both sides. And you're gonna press that button. If it did not go in, just press it in again. There you go. And then the other one that's going to start blinking, it's the Cricut cut one, and that means it's ready to start cutting. And it tells you how much it has already done. When it's done, the arrow button is going to be blinking again, so you just press it so that it can come out. And it already cut it. All you need to do is weed it out. This is the part where you can use your tools as well to weed out the little extras inside, like inside the B and inside the R and inside the L. So first you have to take all of this out, all of the excess. I already weeded all the little things that were in there. And now I need to cut it out because, like I said, I didn't weld this one. So I need to cut those out and fix them on my shirt before I iron. Okay, so as you can see, I already cut everything out and I placed it where I wanted it. Make sure that you measure. You always want to measure from here all the way to the top. Make sure that it's the same thing as from here all the way to the top. Same thing with here and here. And then also on the sides, from the end of the S, I measured it over here. And from the end of the B, I measured it this way, just to make sure that it is all centered. Then I'm gonna use just a regular sheet of paper to iron it on. So when you grab the iron, just make sure that you press it for 5 seconds. Change it and press it for 5 seconds. If you leave it on for too long, it's going to crinkle the plastic and mess up your letters. And then you just peel it off slowly. If you notice that it's not peeling off, that it's getting stuck on a letter, just put it back down and press it on, press the iron on again. If some come up a little bit, we're gonna iron it on again with the paper, just to make sure that everything is sticking. And I'm going to put the paper back on and just iron it quickly again, just to make sure that everything is stuck. And that is it.